Hello, Una, good afternoon. Oh my God, today has been a day. Oh, wow. If man get like some 3 out of 5 days, then like this my own, so the man just get to the. Well, anyway, very soon now the day is over. Night is drawing near. I go sleep me in peace for my house. Oh, eh, eh, eh. Na any man e choice. My name na Maria Banga. My own na just for the talk. Okay, oh, and then I go dey do my own for my own corner. Any man wey hear e member say some small sense dey inside wey if you take am go apply for your own corner, good. Man wey hear feel say na rubbish I dey talk, good. No just waste your time for come fight am for my wall oh, because e no go mean nothing to me at all. So if some person talk e own, me I no hear, me fine for that, just dey pass me na pass. E talk am, I hear my own small one for there, I take am continue my road. So any man don't know his own level for this outside place where he want put him focus for there. Any man no man wey he want follow, why he want follow the person, for how long he want follow that person. Any man know whether he own mind then for whose side to, whether you want stay inside a relationship or you no want stay. Some people they go talk say, oh, I no be no say, I no be no say, I no be no say. So we will know small, more begin dey talk. If some man can challenge and say, you the one talk, so you dey talk based on what? If you get time, you tell us that you talk based on so and so. If you don't get time, don't talk, you know nothing. After all, na your mop you use and talk, na your English or na your pidgin you use and talk, na your data you use and talk. So any man make a choice for life, me I no give me that time. I want to talk about domestic abuse because I don't over talk about that for grammar. I know that one of the main focus areas for my association, Hope for the Abuse and the Battered. And me myself now as a survivor, no be that thing where I go stop talk about them for this life. So with that matter go stay. I don't go leave them. Okay, so I don't start back again. So 4-part series say domestic abuse 101, 102, 103, 104. So when I write them for grammar and share them, then I go can do live video for pidgin and talk them. So that some people the way they know about like this grammar or way they go one go play me some person way it dey for some corner just the China best me here maybe go here so think and small because the matter for domestic abuse na thing wey it already happen since and it is still happen whether we gree or we not gree it no go stop the fact say according to global statistics 1 out of 4 woman them and maybe half out of that 5 men or whatsoever they dey be abused in their relationship. So I want to start today so now for talk about the terms because we go hear some man go say domestic abuse, we go hear some man go say domestic violence, we go hear some man go say no, not only when they beat you physically way that na problem. Some man go say no, emotional whatever every other thing there for inside. Me I want talk today say any of them in all good and say yes abuse be na the big papa, violence na when the abuse lead to the injury, but your injury dem dey wey you no fit see am, you no go see that face, you no go see that eye, you no go see that cut. So now so I fit tell you say the way wey that man talk for me, the way my head dey ache for inside, you no go argue with me because say you no dey inside my head for know how e dey ache, you no dey inside my head for know how whether e talk don make me I feel like foolish. So that kind thing na im dem dey call am say mental abuse. Although violence don be typically aligned to the one wey man blow you so man kick you that kind thing. So abuse fit include violence but person fit abuse you without being violent. Na that kind of abuse wey person dey just look you that kind of bad eye so, or the person dey just throway you some talk so, or the person dey just e dey treat you some kind of way, that kind of thing you dey go cry for beg man money, abeg I wan go do my hair, even 500, abeg e dey give some person 2,000 make dem go buy one bottle beer, you no go see that 500. Sometimes e be say na you dey work that money bring am but na as e don enter your hand so forget. And if you dare not bring all that money, in short, if the first go with you sef dey wey dem dey catch that dem dey give una money, so as you dey take that money so just dey put am inside your hand one time, You fit start to fit say, oh, na love. I be don hear some story for some woman wey be the work, big work, a big woman. So this thing no be na only for poor man, they abuse all kind people. So that woman, when he go take him money, first time, no, you know when you start work, you know they just start for that high level. So that small level, they all them too, they be people the same level. So if you just take him money, can't jam, you know how they be teach me, no. What you want, you start call your master a different thing. What when I married, not be na, you know, just they call her anyhow again, no be na name John, waiting na, whether na other pa or ni or whether na brother, uncle, which one, no, I don't know. So he go come to say, oh, na money this, he go take am. Then he go move 3,000, say, okay, now I own this, hold on. Then he go say that this 10,000 this for chop. Man, no, yes, say 5 franc lakh, or say you must correct for this month. Then he go move 2,000, say that the one you say you go send am for your parents. Then. This one, we go keep am when pikin sick. You don't hear, no pass my corner again. On top your money, oh. But we go to say, oh no, as na man pikin be the head no. When me are talking, me are talk me mostly for women them. Man wey wan vex say, oh, why you only talk na woman their own? La la la. Me go talk man pikin their own for your own corner. I no go even get the discussion against them for my word. For me, it's like so absurd for people for the one make like say they want force man for direction for talk wey want talk. I feel watch man picking football. I feel watch woman picking football. I not be obliged to watch all the two football, even if I like all the two. So now the same thing. Me, I talk, I be feminist. I talk mostly for women, gender-based violence, as well as I fit stop. I fit talk man picking their own. They never be by force. Me, I first just I be hate me where they force me for do am. So if person want even just make like say, why you dey talk so? Now that one I go continue to talk. May it piss you off, may you clear. Because that way they be the abuse me, no man will be dead. That way they be the kick me, drag my head, no man will be dead. So I fit talk am today till I can't die. That my choice, that my right. Now, when people think of the domestic abuse, they used to think that only the physical one. Person don't blow, person don't see eye. When they see your eye, don't swear. They see your kaba, don't tear. They see you don't cry to tear your head. They say, where mama me, the way that one man they abuse it. They don't know say, but sometimes it be safe. Before he want reach for that level, he don't first start small. So now they call and say abuse because the person they just take advantage of you. That one not good. So if when you even start just seeing that one, so just begin remember now how you want adjust the situation, handle them. I be don't talk and plenty. If na say you go pack begin you go. If na say you go tell it say, see, I beg, I know be small pikin, stop there thing. Because when you leave them, the man go know and say, oh, I fit, I fit control this one, I fit manipulate this one, I fit humiliate this one, I fit do any kind thing. He go only cry, she don't know. Wait till if he do again. If I even give one for you, if he withstand, no. So you talk your own, so you clear, you hide, or you go wrong, go enter room, lock door before you cosh. That kind of thing. So he already know, so you fear him. Okay, so domestic abuse now when person the one inside intimate relationship. Sometimes the boy the jack and take and go other side the bed. Now basically inside intimate relationship. So if that just whether a man of God and the Christian or whichever one, that not be a domestic abuse. Domestic abuse now really intimate. That's that either na can we stay or na married or na follow na domestic abuse setting that. And basically between man and woman, we don't extend and small for include the picking them for day. That one na violence, na different level, but abuse na intimate partner relationship. According to the real definition them. Una care una talk na white man definition then that na I go follow. So abuser, if they abuse you, for they can gain control over you. Not only for gain control, but for maintain that control. So they go want and the one way, even when they're not there for your front, you fear them. You don't be for house where you know say person get to come back as from 9 o'clock. Your eye don't start shine before 8 o'clock. Now so you check if all things there in order. You go check whether that pot soup hot. You go check. Because you know say as it enter, hey, your own don't finish. If it just meet up one pound for years so now wahala that don't start so that night. That one na fear. Escape that one as you waiting out of love. No, you prefer for be awake than for say me you sleep, then the person just can't kick you. Say you sleep. Well, who's my chop there? Why the chop not the hot? Bam, 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 bam. And when they do and so that because they want keep you under that control. Some people they don't like to see person they suffer. They don't like to see person they fear them. Well, na ego. Especially man pikin. I dey talk am. Man pikin they want come and go vex any side they want vex. I dey talk yes. Gabi pikin here. Man pikin want control woman because they don't argue this thing from generation to generation. How way God be say, whether Bible be say, the Lord says, la 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 says. So they want control because they like am for say, do as I do. I be the watch something for YouTube today. Donald Trump and the very first woman, Ivana. The Oprah be interviewed the one for 1987 and 1980. The man talk say, he like that woman because that woman do exactly as he tell him to do. When I see after 14 years the marriage finish now. The woman now be do exactly as he tell you to do. Why the woman go? Why the marriage finish? Which woman go want be with man pikin wey the man pikin go only like you na when you do exactly as he tell you to do? You be robot? Say me as she don't feel so. I go enter some marriage with some person go one determine so they go dey talk away and he like me because they do exactly as he tell me to do. But they like am because na so you go dey make palmarès. You don't see my wife. He dey do exactly as I tell you to do. He no fit shake. Now I be watch that some film. Oh, I don't forget me name for that film. So woman he tell him master say he dey so if you wan go that village oh. Last week the man be say money no dey, but he don keep small money this week. Whether if he take am go village oh, the man say what? You don't keep small money. Me I dey fear. I never. My pension no dey pass. You dey keep money. No, they can't give me. You want they can go village? No, madam. You are not going to nowhere. The woman just start sorry. Oh, say okay, well, master, I don't hear no. But the thing I say, my if you one can't die, so I don't see you. Better man go that village. The man say, no, you know they go no village. End of discussion. I say now, wow. So abuse that they use fear, abuse that they use guilt, abuse that go make you may feel guilty. After he don't beat yourself, so one day they say, you see, I know when I tell you something, you come back before 6 o'clock. You don't come back before 6 o'clock. Now so I go vex, they can beat you. So you get to so now if the one put that beating now on you, blame you on top. Because if person come back after 6 o'clock, you must beat the person, your partner, a small picking, you see. Now, no, just either if I just put down for your head, or you go say, no, yes, begin to make me a vex. I see you the talk with some man for under pole for road day. You see, when you start do that kind of thing, so that's how I go vex, and I don't be control my reaction. So don't blame me if I beat you again next time I see you stand with some person for road, but I don't know that person. Already you go start fearing for stand you any person, whether a man picking or a woman picking, because it already tell you say that you really make it vex for beat you when you see you stand with different person. That will not be that control. So now it don't make a man you start fear. Say it go beat you. It don't make a man you start feel guilty. Say it the one beat yourself so now you cause am. It go make a man you start shame self. You know even now your friend for primary school or secondary school, whether na get on a boy. And then when you start fear, so you start feel guilty, and so you go start even throw away your skin. You go start to make you so when I really patch checking on my sis, you go start to make so. So no man go even want stand with you because either you go just there you where like also, or you say if you no go want go you corner them because when the wife we talk say we go she don't for bad take one bottle, you will say hey, you know what I mean they broke my head today. No me, I don't fit. So now you even shame self for even answer themselves when they write you for WhatsApp or they talk for class meeting, say, okay, one next Zoom now, each time you know even one belong you again, you know why you trouble. Because even if you see yourself online, what you will do online that time? You will the chat with who? I don't tell you this thing. Not that's why it go dey intimidate you. Sometimes I go tell you, say, even bring that phone set. Nonsense woman. What you do for day? See house, see picking them. See, I don't die for chop. I don't be chop the same chop 2 times. Blah 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 blah. You know that kind of thing. No? Then I say he go wear you down with all that attitude and they talking non-stop. It did online so they monitor you. That na abuse. Silent abuse. You know the talk, eh? They don't want you can't tell me for you say he boyfriend he can't she don't for a workplace for 12 o'clock. Just she don't wear a cap 30 minutes, wake up, come on go. Only for say Friday, he bring you summary. For all my way don't see enter this and that. No be you go start fear customer. The customer then too they go start suspect say, when they come, you start to be tense so on. Who did you can't she don't for corner for your place for your workshop? So we know why we trouble. I beg more better to go different side. That man don't abuse you so without telling you say, okay, sis, without telling you say he no want them again. Now some people they make up people their business before. you dey close that business. Maybe if you don't tell you say no start that business, you know, yeah. As you start them, go the comot can enter for inside that business only for intimidate you and your customer them. Or he go can the pick thing and say, oh, you want to send up a mommy, you want to say, want to do so. I will give back the money for one end. Now so that business go just can collapse like play. So the abuse then they plenty kind. It not must to be physical. So you don't get to go violent. You don't get to go this way. You don't even get to give you some kind of headache way you go she don't that calculator. No, so one day just small things so. Another kind one you go see some person go leave and you go just the time hearty day. Instead for even just talk say, I don't hear my head for this matter. No, you don't already start fear person before the person even slap you one. So domestic violence and abuse will happen for anyone. Because of other things that people used to feel say that only poor woman them. Or you know that kind of people they don't really know their left from their right. Now lie. I be know my left from my right. I be don't go school no. So any man, sometimes even the one the way they up so now that one they not even fed up. Because a whole magistrate like you, a whole lawyer like you, a whole this like you, a whole that. So big man, small woman, big woman, all. You know, discrimination, no, they any of we will be abused. Any of we. So I know they talk this talk not only for buy and sell, and they talk to it don't happen for me away. If it happen for me again, if I don't receive sense and look fine before I begin to fool around for some person in the corner again, that kind of thing. So, and if it happen for man and woman relationship, if it happen for one kind relationship, homosexual relationship, many people do not make again like say they don't know say that it don't be a thing way, don't be that today self way start now since for Bible time or whichever time. People then the way they like them are the same kind people. People then the way they be fed them now with man and woman, then they think don't come back them for whatever reason they don't choose for start like them are only one kind people. Me, I know the choose me my friend then based on whether you dey follow a man picking or you dey follow a woman picking. If you get good heart, we get like thoughts and all that kind of thing, I follow you. Or I be your friend, that kind of thing. I don't give me that time. People the way they want to limit themselves now for that kind of level that they sabi. Even Pope said don't they talk away. Oh, make church open doors to those people. Even if the church cannot open the door, they will continue to live their life no. Man way one vex the thing vex and go boss now he says sabi. And in any age, would you used to feel say that only when young people, old people, no age no day. It happen for Cameroon people, Nigeria people, Ghana people, America people, all. Not just say what all they used to happen, it not be the reach for level where they the key person. And maybe people they not be there about talk. You know how for our families they just say no go wash your dirty clothes for roads. So even if your man they can't kill you, better make they talk so you die so you be the sick. Oh, if you don't paralyze anything. Even if that abuse don't make you say you can't sick, so nothing. Better make the story come on and so that for say make the story come on say if they abuse me. So nothing where if it don't happen since and it didn't happen for all. I just say for me it don't come be like a shock. Say person go abuse so they even kill because you know say even for kill person that abuse. Don't abuse to the extreme take away somebody life. Seriously, I don't even know how you fit justify that one. That how you go do kill person? But when we start make like so we wan find excuse, we wan normalize am. No be na just for talk one time say no, so wait, so abuse dey way e be okay, no problem. You know, no, if that woman be about strong head, if that woman be the do so, if that woman be the do so, if that woman be the do so, no, then na you find am. Even me woman dey think am too. I talk man say, oh whether una my own fine way, you know that kind thing because after all you wan protect yourself no. But the bottom line is say abusive behavior not be acceptable, whether from man picking, from woman picking, from small picking, or from adult. Everybody deserves to feel valued, respected, and safe. When you dey for so look, sometimes e be we get to even forget about this love. Whether love means wetin I no know. But if me I dey for some relationship now, so I not feel like say the person dey value me. And each I go value the person. No be na age, money, height, wetin matter. For me na and value. I be human being no, you be human being no. Okay. So when I see somebody they argue say, oh, now woman he work for cook, man begin cook, mama. That one na any if una value una self, una fit do am if una know how to do am. Una fit agree say, okay, you na cook, you na this, you na that. What people they see argue na wait to save this that. I know you're like enter me inside that kind of argument they make. I just talk about say any man in neck carry head. I know my own one no fit take am. And I saw like now when our bond just answer someone they tell and say, any man get right for make your own choice. I don't make my own choice. If I not meet up my people, if you my papa, I know they meet them. Any man get right. Now you know if you want to be abused, okay, continue. I go just talk me my own. But if you don't value me, if you don't respect me, that's what they say. Wife submit to your husband, wanna respect your husband. Husbands love your wife. I not one love. Now leave me, I get my own love for myself so much. I want me you value me, may you respect me, and I want peace safe around you. I know one thing so they say you come because say you don't jump, you defend drink stay jump for it. Why person go drink junk if not because the person don't frustrate or the person be insecure or the person don't feel control himself, all that kind of thing. So no, I get to feel safe. Or I stay me one. That time we don't pass when man get to be inside my house before the know say na person that. Now same so Mrs. Naweti. Seriously. So Mrs. They know they even call herself say Mrs. So that title, all that thing that we don't pass since people they see fight themselves na they sabi. Me, I know they even waste my time for fight me that thing against them for you. Whether you be Mrs., you don't be Mrs. Which one, which one? So domestic abuse will escalate from threats and verbal assault to violence. The one where person go just make so, and the one where person go make so. Now two different things. If person just make that so, like that woman from America, why you say the man just make the man he claims say he just make that so. The woman call 911. It's sweet. You the first make that so for waiting. Maybe before you want make that so, he don't first coach am, he don't humiliate am, he don't do all that kind of thing. So that's so that was just too much for that woman. Say after all that talk and all that thing, you still get a heart for can't touch me so I be your picky. So I like am so. So more no feel say na only physical injury because we feel say that one go count for court. No, even that coach them. I say sometimes if the question so you feel even just put audio, you put record, just record them, you keep on you. You know that kind of thing. Yes. So that one day when you want to talk that thing, you get all that thing there. What would you want focus now on thing where person get to do but they don't abuse it? Why? Even if your woman you over talk, you don't be telling say baby, I beg no mom or whatever you do call it. When you want to talk for me, you want a man understand. Or even my own pikin, 16 years, if you don't talk for me so one time because they ever ask question, he say when you dey holla, I dey feel embarrassed, especially when we sit down for table. If you talk for me small, I go hear. All the day so we used to do live video. I say this one, this girl Kelly, where they want bring her for me, I want to take her, they don't beat her, they just say, oh, strong head number one, mama. I said, I no go beat her, and up to today, he go to I never touch am with my hand. Now 1 year this he can't go. So it be possible. You don't get to beat your partner before you understand what you talk. And you don't get to raise your voice before the person understand what you talk. We don't get to push each other to that kind of extremes there. If you want to show say you get that physical power, go play some kind of football or go fight with your friend for outside there now. You can't fight with woman for house. You can't beat woman for house. So take and show it. And you know, women them, especially I talk now to my sisters them. Emotional and psychological consequences of domestic abuse, and the one that way it bad. Because it go destroy your self-worth. We will talk about self-worth on there for pidgin because we don't talk about for grammar. It go destroy your self-worth and also mental illness in start. It go lead to anxiety and depression. Now already mental illness and that anxiety and depression. And if they catch you, anxiety and depression catch you, enter inside your skin, before you want move am, you go make so. And that very man, where he get you into that condition, and the very man go start laugh you. Go start talk away, he don't craze. And it go make you feel helpless and alone. So you don't get to go through that kind of pain, no. So sometimes say you go see you go the kind of for group can't get your own small respite. You go the talk for group, you go the talk now, but then you go get your own small joy. You go see some man go the way in short, he doing only for Facebook, but not only for Facebook where his own life self even gets more. He forget some kind of in small meaning. After Facebook now, wahala for house. So if he just stay for that Facebook, so they woke up morning time, phone is sleeping on a pillow. As soon as he woke up back to Facebook. Now because okay, so if any man dey inside that kind of situation, and the first thing what you get to do now for just recognize am. When you recognize them, they will fit start look now at wetin man fit do. So tomorrow I will continue with 102 for really talk the look at the exact kind things the way you fit recognize and you fit see how that behavior wey the man dey do, that passion, then you go see and talk say, hey, na that domestic abuse this. Then 3, we go look different side. Then 4, now we go start look different things dem again. But I bin don try to summarize am the other day for pidgin. I go just talk am again. You know say you fit just dey repeat. Some man go dey wey go dey hear na for the first time, some man go dey wey go hear 2, 3 times before the thing settle for im head and all that kind thing. Okay, oh, my time for go house don pass na. My patron Gabi don talk for here. Well, Gabi, na wetin that plaster no? Na wetin? Well, una bye bye. Well, thank all man yeah. Ma go. I've just I no go house today. I no even talk this small talk. That thing for domestic abuse is still over worrying me. How many people them for 2020 they still suffer for this outside? So my sister them, I swear. May God help we. Whether you dey outside or you dey inside my house, so may God help we because I know say it's not easy. It's not easy, but we go just dey try and try so. Okay, oh, tomorrow no, by grace. Bye bye.